Ma'am, excuse you.
Hey, it's Chrissy and I am back with another video. I know it's been a while. Let's not talk about it. Moving on. Today, coming to you with the good one. I am going to be reviewing this hair. This is from Luvme, a company called Luvme. I'm pretty sure you've seen the ad on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever. Girl, they out here, okay? Let's get into the products because I didn't show this part on camera, which, look, I feel like once I show y'all what I used, I feel like y'all gonna know exactly what to do with it, okay? Points I want to make. I cannot apply my wig while the lace is still on it. I have to cut it. I just have to. It messes me up. So I cut my lace first. Actually, in the video you're gonna see that I didn't cut my lace first, and that messed me up. And I used glue. Point number 2, I never use lace glue. I cannot get with lace glue. It just doesn't do right by me. So to hell with it. To hell with you, okay? So I use my handy dandy Old Faithful Got to Be glue, the clear one. The new Got to Be Insta Hold spray. I love this way better than the free spray. Like, it's just better. Get this one. And I laid my baby hairs down with some Lotta Body, and I got my little, this actually goes to my Victoria's Secret child, blank mind kills me. Put the stuff on there, blow dried it, applied the wig, laid it down, laid my baby hairs, and then put my scarf around it, child. It was boom, 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 boom. And all right, so let's get into it. I will be showing you the Undetectable, girl, what was it called? Hold on. This is the Undetectable Invisible Lace Virgin Hair 13 by 6 Glueless Frontal Lace Wig. That's a damn mouthful. And yes, it's a body wave, and I got the Invisible Knot edition in 18 inches. So, here's the wig fresh out the box. I showed y'all the box. This is the box it came in. I already rummaged through it and lost some stuff up out of it. So, the box is cute though. It came with a comb, tweezers, elastic band, bobby pins, and a edge scarf. I can't find that to save my life. But yeah. So here's the wig, and girl, the hair feels nice. I know people were complaining about the lace being good, but the hair being not so good. But right now it's fine. I mean, I am getting a little shedding. This is what it looks like inside. It's a 13 by 6 lace frontal, so you only got a little bit over here and then the middle part right here. Had I knew this is what I was ordering, I probably wouldn't have, because I just prefer a full lace wig. So yeah, be mindful of that when you're ordering. My cap is already down. I'm not gonna do the whole lay the cap down, glue it down, cut it around. I ain't got time for that. Out on this thing, and we gonna go. My edges is slicked back. I have to use what's it called, Maury's edge wax for my edges, because girl, these edges is strong. Ain't nothing baby about them. These are grown woman edges, full grown. I'll have the links to this wig and just the site in general in the description box. But yeah, I did notice quite a bit of shedding. I don't know where it was coming from, but it was a lot. I felt like my wig is gonna bald really fast. Like, I don't know. Maybe it was just the hair from the hair that I plucked off, just stuck in the mix, because I plucked a hell of a lot of hair. Like, this is how much hair I plucked out of this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on now. Hairline right here, it did come, like, the hairline came all the way up here. I had to literally like rip the hair out just to push it back, because my hairline is all the way back here. Like, I don't need a smaller forehead. Like, I have a decent forehead. My forehead is not that big. At least I don't think so. Look at his hair. Oh. But yeah, so I plucked it, and this is what we are looking like. Now, from what I see, this lace is kind of detectable on me. Not even gonna kick it to you. I'm definitely gonna have to tint this lace a little bit. Well, not tint it. I'm just gonna put some powder on it like I always do. But yeah, it's definitely detectable on me. Like, I feel like once I cut it, it's still gonna have that ashy, like, what? I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm tripping. I do not like how thick that is at all. This part is thick. I'm gonna have to do like the old days when people used to pluck their closure, like their middle part of their closure. But yeah, I can't wait to apply it though, even though it's shedding like a motherfucker thick. So I do want to say this part of the lace is really awkward because this is where the elastic band is supposed to go, and I just feel like they put it too far to the front where it's on your ear. Like, who thought to put it right here? Like, why wouldn't y'all put it back here? I don't know, that shit is. So that's gotta come. That's gotta go. It has to go. It's irritating my ear. So I will be cutting that off. Oh my god, I want this to be glueless because I can't stand glue. Okay, glue and me and glue just don't get along. So this is the band that goes on the clips on the inside. So we're gonna put those on. Ooh. So I like it. Like, I really do like it. I just wish they weren't. Like, I wonder if I could take them off and sew them in a different spot. I ended up moving, hold on. There we go. Moving the clip from here to here. This is just not what I signed up for, okay? I did not sign up to do all this extra work. I just wanted to put the wig, take the wig out the box, wash it a little bit, and put it on my head. I did not sign up for all this extra. But we're gonna go ahead and put it on the clips, on the band, and we're gonna see. And I like that the band has, it feels so much better. I love it. I can't put my lace down like this. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try. I ain't gonna say I can't. We gonna try. Alright. Here is, I said I won't go use lace glue. That's what I said. And I need to get the blow dryer. Oh, blow dryer. Y'all, I got me taking this whole damn thing off because I effed up using that ghost bond.
Oh my god, and I clipped. Like, how? I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna apply it again, okay? Because, ooh, child.
We're gonna take this off first. I'm praying it comes out right. Ooh, some stuck. Okay. get into it. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking this. All in all, I will say the lace is nice. It really is. And I noticed that I wasn't getting a lot of shedding after like I brushed through it, like after last night. Like I've been brushing it and going through it all day, and I haven't been getting any shedding. So I think what I was experiencing when I washed it was just the hair that I was plucking out just coming out, for real. But I love it. I love the short look. Like, girl, I'm living for it. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Please subscribe because I'm going to be posting every day in the month of November. I'm challenging myself to post every day in the month of November. So yeah, I got a lot of things coming up, a lot of good content. At least I think so. I hope you guys feel the same way. But go ahead and click that subscribe button, like this video, and comment. Leave me a comment. Just say, hey girl. That's literally all you gotta say. Hey girl. And I'm gonna say, hey.